Hey guys, so basically the first topic that we're covering is the language of algebra, okay? So it's like, for example, when you have different languages, okay? You have the English language, Japanese is also another language, okay? There's so many different languages, okay? But specifically in maths, this is the language of algebra, okay? So these are the terms, like kind of the vocab that you need to know in this particular topic: pronumeral, term, expression, and equation, okay? So pronumerals are just basically letters, okay? So they're just letters. For example, A, okay, you've got, and then they could represent more than one number. So you've got A, B, C, D, and they all represent numbers that we don't know of, okay? And then we've got here a term. A term is part of an expression with pronumerals, numbers, and multiplication and division. Okay, so you can have, for example, 2a, 3b. You could have b over 2, c over 2. Those are examples of terms. An expression is a pronumeral with a mathematical operation. So what is a pronumeral again? Pronumeral is just a letter, but it has a mathematical operation. Okay, so for example, you could have 2 plus a, okay, 3 plus b over 4. Okay, you can see here, where's the pronumerals? A is a pronumeral, okay, and it has a mathematical operation with the number 2. Here, you've got here, B is adding with 3 and dividing by 4. That is also an expression there, okay? The last part is equation. So equation is a mathematical statement with two expressions that are equal. So as you can see here, this is a mathematical statement. So when you talk about English, you write statements, right? But in maths, you can also write statements, but it's not going to involve words. It's going to involve numbers. So here you've got 2x plus 3, which is considered to be what? That whole thing. It's considered to be an expression, okay? An equation is when it's equal to this, okay? So this is equal to that. It's two expressions that are equal. Think about the word equate, okay? So if you're ever confused in maths and you're just wondering, or just normally with certain words, think back to what that word actually means, okay? So equate is when something is equal to another thing, okay? So that's kinds of sums up the actual topic of the language of algebra. Okay, so these are the important things that you need to know of. And then afterwards, when you learn later on, you'd have to then solve what x is. And we'll go over that in the later videos. Cool. See you guys.